An estimated 8,300 children and youth are in foster care in Ontario, but the number of foster caregivers is on the decline.
CTV's health reporter Pauline has more on a new initiative focused on ensuring kids at risk have the support they need.
Kevna Dave is a longtime foster parent or alternative caregiver, but 8 years ago, she and her husband weren't sure they'd be accepted.
We thought we were too young. We thought that because we rented a home, we might be not qualified, or because we didn't have our own kids, we might be disqualified. And so I think through that process, we were learning so many misconceptions that we realized weren't actually problems.
Since then, they've had several teens in their care, one for as long as 4 years. She says it's not always easy, but it is very rewarding.
Kids coming into care have gone through some really hard experiences, and so a big challenge is really making space to navigate trauma well. I think it takes a lot of patience, and I think that there are moments of late nights and hard conversations.
For the first time ever, 7 GTA agencies have come together, basically in a united call for new foster caregivers who can provide temporary supportive homes for children and youth. So it's called There to Care.
Jennifer Robbins says in 90% of the cases, the children stay with their family, but occasionally alternative care is needed.
Extreme concern for like abuse, neglect, or sometimes parents just maybe aren't coping with children, because we do have children with some pretty extensive behavioral issues.
But recently, retirements and transitions among their pool of long-term caregivers have reduced their number by 34% since 2020. They're especially looking for support for Indigenous children.
We don't necessarily need a child to go into a home that has Indigenous caregivers. What we do is we offer a training program that covers the essential areas like child welfare, child development. We do a cultural competency training.
I think that anyone who is willing to care for a youth and has a safe space to do so and resources to use would be a good fit.
If you're interested in learning more, go to theretocare.ca. Pauline Chan, CTV News.